Samedi 21 juin, Rugby Québec était présent au match de la Super League masculine opposant Ottawa Irish à Sainte-Anne-de-Bellevue. Ce fut l'un des matchs les plus palpitants de cette compétition, entre deux équipes déterminées à ramener la victoire. Voici les interviews. So it was a rough game today.
Yeah.
What's happened?
Well, I think physically they came to play today. For us, it showed the level difference between Division I and the Super League, and I think physically our forwards held their own. They were able to hold in there, and I think they took advantage of mistakes and they were really good on the counter attack. And they were unlucky to not score more tries based on the knock-ons that they had on the outside. For us, I think we were unlucky to not come away with that fourth try and get the bonus point because we spent 20 minutes down in their end dominating their forwards.
Okay, and how did you prepare your team before this game?
I think we go at it step by step. We're trying to make sure that we hold on to the ball, we maintain that, and we work to our strengths. We've got good, strong ball runners in the forwards, and we've got fast backs that we like to unleash as much as we can, and we just try to play that game. And I think strength versus strength, their strengths were a little bit better than ours, but overall I think we played our game, and I was happy with the process and the way that they played today.
Okay, and next week you will play against Indians.
Yes.
For the very strong team too.
Yeah.
How will you prepare your team?
I think we're just going to go at it the same way that we've gone the last 4 weeks. We know that the Indians are a good team. They're a local rival, so I think emotionally that's going to be a big game for us. We play at the same field, so we know there'll be a big crowd, and we know that there's pride on the line.
Okay, yeah. And what's your feeling for the rest of the competition?
We like our odds. We like the way that the schedule lines up for us. We've had to play 3 tough away games. And now we've got 1 remaining away game to Quebec City for the rest of the season, and the rest of our games are in Ottawa, so we like that. We like that teams know that we can play, and they're going to have to come and play us in our home field.
Okay, yeah. Good. So good luck for the rest of the competition. We will see you again.
Great.
And good luck.
Thank you.
Thank you, you too. Great victory today. For you, what was a decisive action in the game?
I think when we went down 14-0, we didn't get too down on ourselves. We were able to come back and play our brand of rugby, and it's tough when you go down early in a game like that. We lost last week, so that was pretty good for us.
Okay, it was a very rough game against the Irish. How did you prepare your team for today?
We knew they were a really solid team. I mean, they've been doing well all season, and they won their league last year. So we really focused a lot this week on a lot of physical drills, a lot of defense, and a lot of just one-on-one physicality, just because we knew that they were such a solid team.
Okay, and how will you prepare your team for the next challenge?
Another Irish team, the team that was in the final last year. So I think it'll be a lot of the same type of things. I think at this time of year we just kind of build on what we didn't do well, and we weren't very consistent today. We played well for parts of the game, other parts not so well at all. So I think our main thing for this week is just going to be working on those areas where we need to be more consistent and be better for longer periods of time.
Okay. You have 2 victories and 2 defeats?
Yeah.
Yeah. What's your feeling for the rest of the competition?
Oh, every week is so tough. This is such a close league. You can beat anybody on a given Saturday and you can lose on a Saturday. Every single club is tough. So, we just really, it's a cliche, but 1 week at a time and 1 team at a time, and we just try to play our brand of rugby and as good as we can play every Saturday, and we just can't control because every team is good.
Okay, and you have your first player who was selected to be the game of the place. What's your feeling about that?
He really deserves it. He played really well, so he's one of those game breakers, so it was good for him.
Okay, so good luck for the rest of the competition.
Thank you.
We will see you again.
Absolutely.
And congratulations again.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.